guys, Chris here with Goodland Travel. We're here at the Sanctuary Cap Cana. We're going to be touring the Penthouse Suite. There's only one on the resort. That's number 6602. So this room on the resort is very unique. First of all, this is the only room that you can get that will have a kitchenette. So if you want to do an extended stay and do some of your own cooking, the resort will help you get set up with pots, pans, any cooking utensils that you need. So you've got your own fridge and freezer here that they'll keep stocked, as well as mini fridges we'll show you in the bedrooms. You've got your dining area and a sitting main area between the two bedrooms. And then I'm going to show you this main bathroom here. Go ahead and take a look. It's just a small bathroom that you can use if you want to have guests over. Okay, and there's two bedrooms in this suite. They're basically identical, so we'll show you both of them, starting with the room off to your left. I should point out here you've got your coffee maker as well, and they'll keep you stocked with coffee for your stay. Okay. So like a lot of the bedrooms at Sanctuary, they have a walk-in closet for you, which has a ton of space. Let you guys take a look. Okay, king bed, little sitting area TV. You've got your mini fridge over here. And again, if you've seen our other room tours, they all stock it the same. You've got your El Presidente, Coors Light, water, Sprite, and Coke. And we'll show you the main bathroom for this bedroom. You've got all your bathroom amenities, makeup mirror. You've got sweetheart sinks, towel rack, bench. Got your room for the toilet. There's also unique about this suite is it has a bidet if that's what you're into. Then you've also got your walk-in shower. It's got a rain shower head at the top, similar to the other room tours. And then we'll head into the other bedroom. Very similar setup. You've got your walk-in closet. Same size as the other bedroom. Small sitting area, king bed. Mini fridge here, stocked with the same stuff on the other side. And then you've got your own private bathroom here. Same setup, double sinks, makeup mirror, bench, towel rack, room for the toilet and the bidet, and then you've got same size walk-in shower with a rain shower head. Alright, so those are the bedrooms. We'll take a walk outside onto the balcony, which is again all private. They have some dividers up that you'll notice to guarantee privacy for you. And we'll take a look and see what else is out there. little windy out here, so for the balcony, you've got your own private hot tub, a couple different sitting areas, some lounge chairs off to the right. You've got your barrier set up for privacy. They've got a small outdoor shower for you. And then the best part of this room is the sweeping ocean views. Hey guys, this is Chris, the owner of Good Land Travel Agency. Don't forget to click subscribe to see more of our travel related content. We don't charge anything for bookings. We help facilitate specific room requests and upgrades and help plan special events. And visit our website to learn more about us. Thanks.